Hey there, is your Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Neo not turning on, leaving you puzzled and frustrated? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through practical steps on how to fix Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Neo not turning on. Many users face this issue, but with a bit of troubleshooting, you'll have your tablet up and running in no time. Let's dive into the steps to troubleshoot and solve this problem. Step 1. Basic checks. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, let's start with some basic checks. First, ensure that your tablet has enough charge. Connect your Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Neo to a charger using a verified USB cable and power adapter. Make sure the power outlet is working. Leave it to charge for at least 30 minutes before attempting to power it on. Sometimes the battery may be too low to start immediately. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. If charging doesn't work, try performing a soft reset. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 7 to 10 seconds. This action can help resolve minor software glitches, causing the tablet to remain unresponsive. After resetting, see if your device starts to power on. It's a simple fix, but it might just do the trick. Step 3. Inspect the power button. The power button itself might be the culprit, especially if it feels stuck or does not click as it's supposed to. Gently press it several times to ensure it's not stuck and is functioning properly. Sometimes dirt and debris can cause issues, so make sure the button area is clean. If necessary, consult a professional to check for any internal damage. Step 4. Boot into safe mode. If your device still doesn't power on, try booting into safe mode. This process will help determine if a third-party app is causing the issue. To enter safe mode, press and hold the power button until the Samsung logo appears. Then release the power button and immediately press the volume down button until the device finishes booting. In safe mode, only pre-installed apps will run. If your tablet turns on in this mode, uninstall any recently downloaded apps that could be causing the issue. Step 5. Factory reset. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset. This step will erase all data, so it's important to back up your information beforehand if possible. To factory reset without a functioning screen, turn off your device. Then press and hold the power, volume up, and home buttons simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Navigate with the volume buttons to wipe data, factory reset, and confirm with the power button. Once completed, select Reboot System Now. Step 6. Seek professional help. If none of the above methods work, it's time to seek professional help. Contact Samsung support or visit an authorized repair center to have your device examined. There might be a deeper hardware issue that requires professional attention. Fixing a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Neo that's not turning on can be frustrating, but with these steps, you'll have a higher chance of resolving the problem on your own. From basic charging checks to performing a factory reset, these methods cover a range of solutions. Remember, if the issue persists, professional assistance is the best option to avoid further damage. We hope this guide helps you get your Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Neo back in action. Stay tech savvy and best of luck.